Hi everyone. Today we're going to study rules of inference for propositional logic. These are the 8 most important rules of inference in propositional logic. The first one is called modus ponens. Here we have two premises followed by the conclusion. First premise is P. Second premise, P implies Q. And the conclusion, Q. Next is modus tollens. We have two premises followed by conclusion. First premise, not Q. Second premise, P implies Q. And the conclusion, not P. Third is hypothetical syllogism. We have two premises followed by conclusion. First premise, P implies Q. Second premise, Q implies R. Conclusion is P implies R. Next is disjunctive syllogism. We have here two premises. First premise, P or Q. Second premise, not P. Conclusion is Q. Next is addition rule. We have one premise followed by conclusion. The premise here is P. Conclusion, P or Q. Next is simplification. We have one premise followed by conclusion. The premise is P and Q. Conclusion, P. Then we have conjunction. We have here two premises followed by conclusion. First premise, P. Second premise, Q. Conclusion is P and Q. Then the resolution. We have here two premises followed by conclusion. First premise, P or Q. Second premise, not P or R. Conclusion, Q or R. Example 1. State which rule of inference is the basis of the argument. It is below freezing now. Therefore, it is either below freezing or raining now. We denote P as it is below freezing now. We denote Q as it is raining now. For the first sentence, this is symbolized by P. And the second sentence, this is now the conclusion, P or Q. The rule of inference here is addition rule. Example 2. State which rule of inference is the basis of the argument. It is below freezing and raining now. Therefore, it is below freezing now. We let P as the statement, it is below freezing now. We let Q to be the statement, it is raining now. For the first statement here, we denote this as P and Q. And for the second sentence, this is now the conclusion, P. The rule of inference here is simplification. Example 3. State which rule of inference is the basis of the argument. If it rains today, then we will not have a barbecue today. If we do not have a barbecue today, then we will have a barbecue tomorrow. Therefore, if it rains today, then we will have a barbecue tomorrow. We let P, it is raining today. We let Q, we will not have a barbecue today. We let R, we will have a barbecue tomorrow. For our first sentence, This is denoted by P implies Q. For the second sentence, this is Q implies R. For the third sentence, this is now the conclusion, and we have P implies R. The rule of inference here is hypothetical syllogism.